Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have studied the force on a charged particle when it is moving in the magnetic field. So when that charged particle was moving in the magnetic field, as the charged particle is moving, so what is doing? It is producing its own magnetic field, and due to the external magnetic field applied, both due to the external magnetic field applied, the external magnetic field and the magnetic field produced due to the moving charge, what will happen? The charge particle experience a force. Okay, so we have calculated the expression F is equal to Q V cross B. So sometimes different type of the varieties of questions are asked in the exam. Suppose a charged particle is moving with a velocity v along the x direction. Velocity is along the x direction and magnetic field is applied in the y direction. So in which direction the charged particle will experience force? So see here q v is, can we write like this, v I cap, as the velocity is in the x direction and magnetic field is along the j cap. J cap means the y direction. So as you know from the cross product of the vectors in the class 11th you have studied. So I cap cross j cap. So that comes out to be k cap. So the force experienced by the charged particle is along the z axis. So as you are saying that velocity and magnetic field, these are perpendicular to each other, and in turn the force experienced is also perpendicular to the V and B. Means all the three are mutually perpendicular to each other. So in this way some of the questions will come. The force experienced by a charged particle, actually you should also know about the Van Allen belt. Van Allen belts are the radiation belt discovered by James Van Allen from the data he has collected from the American satellite Explorer 1. Okay, so what are Van Allen radiation belt? Actually, see here, this is our Earth, and all of you know very well that a layer envelope of the gases which is surrounding the Earth is said to be its atmosphere. So when high energy charged particles from the outer atmosphere, as they enter into the Earth magnetic field, those high energy charged particles are also said to be the solar wind. What they are said to be the solar wind. When high energy charged particles, that is the solar wind, enters the Earth's magnetic field, what has happened? They will experience a force due to the Earth's magnetic field. As we have seen here, so these high energy charged particles entering into the Earth's atmosphere, they will experience a deflecting force due to the Earth's magnetic field, and what will happen? They are trapped in the Earth's magnetic equator. They are trapped in the Earth's magnetic equator. So these were discovered by Van Allen and that were known as Van Allen radiation belt. Actually, many importance of Earth's magnetic field. You say that, sir, what is the importance of Earth's magnetic field? Earth's magnetic field, the importance is that it protects the Earth from the high energy charged particle, ill effects of the high energy charged particles which are coming from the outer atmosphere. Okay, thank you.